Hello traders, welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. Today is November 8th, 2022. We're new to the channel. This is an educational channel. I go over trades that I take live with my account. There's nothing to do with P&L. It's just educational. So here we are. All right. I got really lucky on my last trade here. It worked out perfectly because I had a phone call scheduled for 10:30. They may still call me back, so I may have to put this recording on pause. If the phone rings, I'm gonna have to answer that. Wow, what a freaking morning. Okay, so I do a pre-market analysis every morning, and on the pre-market I said that I think the market is gonna be sideways. And I said that I was going to be patient and either go long at 3,800 right here or 3,807. The market came down to 11. I actually started recording there because I thought I was going to go and take a long. And boom, it bounced from there and it went straight up. And then after about an hour, said I'm just going to end this recording because I think it's going to be right here in the middle for a while. And then all of a sudden it just, boom, screamed up. I didn't take it because I also said that I was going to wait for 50 to go short. So in this video, on the recap of my trades, you will see that I went short at 49. So right here, I thought, okay, maybe the market couldn't get to 50, and I think it's done. So prior, now I erased it already, but there was poor structure from 50 all the way up to 55. So I said, okay, well, the market pre-ran the short, they stopped it from going to 50. I'm gonna go ahead and take a short. Took a short, boom, got killed. I was upset because I didn't follow my rule. I said that I was gonna wait till 50, see how it reacted at 50, and then take the short. So I was a little upset that I didn't follow my rule. Then market, boom, screamed right through 50 and it stalled at the top of the poor structure. Then I said, okay, this is it. I'm going short. Took another short, got stopped out, and I immediately decided to take a long, which I had the target of 75 and 85. So market went up about 10 points. I failed to exit at that 10 point and I was just stuck on the trade, hoping that it would go. I even responded to Stogie that I was on a long, looking to go and clear at 75 and at 82. And then what happened was that POC moved up from 24 from all the way. So there was a whole bunch of icebergs that hit here. And for a second, I thought about going long, but it was the mid. The icebergs could have been sell to go all the way down to 3,800. So I said, you know what? I'm going to stick to my rule this morning. I'm going to stick to my plan, and the plan is to either go long in between 7 and 3,800 or short at 50. So that's why I didn't take it. So all of this here, all of these icebergs made POC move up to 24 or move down. I can't remember. Let me see if I could see it here. All right, where? So, yeah, the opening. opening. So it moved up. So it did no actually. So it moved. POC at the opening was at 27, and then right at 5 minutes after the open, it moved down to 16, and then it moved up to. All right, here's the phone call. I'm going to put this on hold. All right, I had to stop the video because I had to answer this phone call. All right, so where was I? So, okay, so I went over that I took a short. I took a short at 55, and then I took a long immediately. I took a long. So I decided to take the long because it seemed like it was not failing. It pulled back here, and it seemed like it was finding support, and it was going to go long. And yes. Oh, no. I was already talking about the POC. Yeah, so it moved from 24 all the way up to 64. And I said, oh, my God. And I even said it on the recording. I mean, it's a 2.5-hour recording. Nobody is going to watch that. So I said, okay, there's a lot going on here. I'm pretty sure this is going to bring POC up. And 3 or 4 minutes later, it happens. POC goes like, oh my God, I knew it. And I even said, this is, you only notice this stuff with screen time, with being in the market every day and watching it. So then I said, okay, I'm going to go short. And I take a short, and boom, I target initial balance high, and there's a whole bunch of poor structure that you'll see on the video. So it's a 2-hour video. I'm just gonna go and shrink it. So, but I was not expecting a complete meltdown. So I get out at 42. I got a little scared that I was gonna bounce off of initial balance. So I could have had more into it, but I had no idea that it was gonna fall another 20 points. So yeah, that is a recap. Let me do a quick, just little. So I missed the long. I went short on the 50, which I said at the pre-market analysis that I do every morning. Went short at 49. No, I went short at 44 because the market 49. I got stopped out. Went short at 55 because it seemed like it was done and it was above the weak structure. Went long. It was a good long, but I didn't clear because I thought that the market was going to keep going all the way to 75. And then because I saw that POC moved up, market usually, it's not a rule, usually wants to go and do a price check on the value. So now because POC moved up, it means that we are in value, right? Because it's the most traded area is where VPOC is. So market, okay, now we need to get out of value. So it either goes up or down. Usually it goes towards where it came from. It does a price check, and boom, I jumped on it, and here I am. I'm not gonna say my P&L, but it is amazing. I am really happy. So I made my money back from being stopped out on those short, and yeah, it's a great week. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you're able to go and correlate with your own trades. You should be recording your own trades, and you should see where I took the short, why I took the short, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the pre-market every morning between, is either at 6 or at 6:15. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your afternoon.